is Daniel Marquette, and I'll be doing a one-handed tie. Is Daniel Marquette, and I'll be doing an instrument tie. So I'm going to wrap this around twice, grab my suture, pull with the incision. I'm going to go back around the other way, pull it with the incision, and I'm going to do this 4 times back and forth. Today I'll be doing a simple interrupted. So I'm going to grab the skin edge right there. I'm going to pull it through, same distance on the other side, 4 to 5 millimeters. I'm going to bring it like that, wrap it around my needle holder, pull it through, and I'm going to go the other way. Grab the tail. I'm going to do this 6 times, back and forth. I will be doing a vertical mattress. So I'm going to pick up the skin edge. This is going to be far, far. Same distance on both sides, 4 to 5 millimeters from the wound edge. I'm going to reverse my needle. I'm going to go the other direction. So this is going to be near, near, and this is 1 to 2 millimeters from the wound edge. Then I'm going to start tying it. Wrap it around twice. Go the other direction. And I'll do this 6 times and then cut. Today I'll be doing a horizontal mattress suture. So I'm going to pick my skin edge up just like you would an interrupted. I'm going to drive it across. Again, 4 to 5 millimeters away from the wound edge. Load it backhanded. Pick that up. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to come out 3 to 4 millimeters from the exit point. And then I'm going to tie it. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. So today I'll be doing a simple over and over continuous running baseball. So I'm going to grab my skin edge. I'm going to start the apex, come 4 to 5 millimeters from the wound edge. I'm going to tie this. Cut, please. I'm gonna grab my wound edge here and I'm gonna come across at an angle. Again, same distance on both sides. And the suture will come across the wound. I'm gonna grab my wound edge. I'm going to come across. And then we'll say this is my last stitch. So I'm going to tie this to the loop. to cinch it down. And then I will cut. Today I'll be doing a continuous locking stitch. So I'm going to grab my skin edge at the apex, 4 to 5 millimeters from the wound edge. I'm going to tie this. Nope. There we go. Cut a little tail. I'm going to grab the skin on this side. I'm going to pull it through, and this is going to be inside of the loop. Same thing. Pull the skin edge, pull it through the other side, and this is going to come through the loop. And I'm going to cinch it with my finger, so now it will be easier. Cinch it with my finger. So I'm at the end of the wound now. I'm going to take my needle, I'm going to drive it across the other side. So I'm going to grab here, come out the other side, and then I'm going to reverse my needle back the other direction. And I'm going to come slightly behind it. I'm gonna make a loop. And this is what I'm gonna tie my suture to. So I have my loop there. Just like that. Other way. That's it. That is a continuous locking stitch. I will be showing you the running subcutaneous suture. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the skin edge here. I'm gonna, right at the apex, just right behind it. I'm gonna take a little bite there. And then I'm gonna come across on the other side, same thing. Take a deep bite there. I'm gonna tie this. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab the apex. I'm gonna come straight out the apex, and this will bury my knot. So now that my knot is buried, I'm gonna start on either side, take deep bites. On the other side, same thing. Come 1/3 the way back from my previous stitch. Same thing on this side. I'm just gonna run it all the way down. So as I'm approaching the wound, the end of the wound, I will show you how I tie. I'm gonna take one more bite on this side, and then I will leave a little loop here, and this is what I'm gonna tie my suture to. So I'm gonna take it, cinch it down, same thing, cinch it down. I'm gonna do this 4 times. I will cut this one, and I will bring my suture out to the skin edge. Grab the skin, and that will bury the knot. Today I'll be showing you how to staple skin. So I'm gonna take my Adson, and this is gonna bring it together, and this line right here is gonna level up with the skin. So I'm gonna squeeze this together, staple. Okay, same thing, bring it together, staple. Bring it in, level it, staple.